In today's video, I am going to teach you how to have multiple database in Zoho CRM. If you have ever needed to test changes, separate business processes, or manage different environments without affecting your live data, creating a sandbox or secondary organization is the right approach. In Zoho CRM, this is typically handled through the settings area, where you can create a separate environment that keeps your work organized and safer. First, click the Settings or Gear icon in the top right corner of the Zoho CRM interface. This is usually easy to spot because it sits near your profile or user controls. Take a moment to make sure you are in the main Zoho CRM screen, and then open the Gear menu. This step is important because everything you need for data environment setup is located inside the settings. Next, in the Settings menu, look for Data Administration or Data Sharing and click it. Depending on your Zoho CRM configuration and plan, the exact wording can vary slightly, so just match what you see on your screen. This section is where Zoho groups the tools related to how data and environments are managed. Once you open it, you should see options related to sandboxes and multi-organization features if they are available for your account. After that, select Sandboxes or choose Multi-Org depending on your plan tier. This is where Zoho organizes the different environment types for testing and separate database contexts. If you do not see both options, use whichever one appears in your interface. You are looking for the part of the menu that specifically mentions sandbox environments or multi-organization setups. This step matters because it determines the path you will use to create your secondary database environment. Now click Create Sandbox or Create New Org. The button name can differ, but the action is the same. You are starting the process to set up a new environment that will act like an additional database space. When you click this, Zoho will guide you through the creation form. If there are any prompts, simply proceed with the creation process that matches the environment type you selected, either sandbox or multi-org. Finally, you will need to type a unique name for your secondary database environment and click Save. Make sure the name is something you can recognize later, such as a label that indicates the purpose of the environment, like testing or a particular team workflow. The key requirement is that the name should be unique within your Zoho CRM account, so it does not conflict with an existing environment. After you enter the name, click Save to confirm your new sandbox or new organization. At this point, Zoho CRM will create the new environment in the background. The exact time it takes can vary depending on your account and system processing, so it is normal to see a short loading period. When creation is complete, you will be able to access and use the additional environment, which gives you a separate space for working with data and configurations. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know to set up a secondary database environment in Zoho CRM using the sandbox or multi-organization options.